B25 served in every theater of operation during World War II. Originally designed as a medium bomber, this aircraft will be modified in the field and in production. It's one of the most effective ground attack aircraft in World War II. Symbolic of America's air power. Boeing developed the heavy bomber for the United States Army Air Corps in the 1930s. We're open. You're over Japan. It's 1942. Bombs away. Imagine, ladies and gentlemen, 16 of these aircraft parked on an aircraft carrier. These are land-based bombers, never designed to do what they were going to do in that incredible mission in June and the Pacific. The Mitchell was most remembered again for the intrepid attack on the Japanese homeland. Bomb bay doors are open. It's another bomb run for the B25. B-25 was a very versatile aircraft. Although originally designed to bomb from medium altitudes, it was field modified in the South Pacific. Now to those radio